Okay. Um, Good afternoon. My name is Tang Hui Ming, and this is project one for my programming language course. So the project was to create three functions: a cube function, a sum of square function, and a max function. So these are the functions that I've written. So for the cube function, it's pretty simple. It takes the parameter a and it multiplies a by itself two times. That means a cubed. For the sum of square function, it it recursively goes through a. Each iteration decreases a by 1. So I have a little drawing here that I've made, which explains the sum of square. So at the start of the function call, we pass a, and it recursively goes down. So a minus 1, a minus 2, it goes down to 1, and then it comes back up. It returns 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square until it reaches a square. So that's how it works. See, if it's at base case, if it's at base case of 0, then it starts going back up. Not base case of 1. The graph is a little wrong. It's supposed to be 0 here and then plus 0 square right there. For the max function, given a list, it will return the largest element of that list. Sorry, a little sweaty because of the heat. Okay, so the max function recursively goes through an array until it reaches the last element, and then it compares the last element with the second to last element, returning which one's the biggest. So if this one's the biggest, it goes up. So I also have a little drawing here that explains it. So we pass the array in, it goes down for each element, and when it reaches the last element, where there's no more element inside the array, it starts comparing. So this last element here, is it greater than the second to last, or is it smaller than the second to last? If it is greater than the second to last, it gets pushed up, and it's compared with the third to last, and it keeps pushing up until the first element. As you can see, hold on. Yeah, it keeps going until the first element, and if that last element is bigger than the first element, then that last one just gets returned. And it is a helper function because I need to pass both the head of the array and the tail of the array. I need both of them. That's why it became a helper function instead of the function itself. So let me run this program. I think it was SML. That's how I'll run it. SML. I need to use my project. There we go. Let's start with the cube function. So the cube of 3 should be 3, 9, 27. Forgot the semicolon. 27. Now for the square sum. Square sum 5. So it's 5 square plus 4 square plus 3 square plus 2 square plus 1 square. I forgot the semicolon again. Is 55. I think that's true. Let's see. I have a calculator. Oh. Where is my calculator? Oh, there it is. All right, so 25, that's 5 square plus 16, 4 square plus 9, plus 25 plus 16 plus 9 plus 2 square is 4 plus 1, 55. There we go. Now for the last function, max helper, max, call it with the list here. Let's say 1 to 45, 450, 445, 6, 78, 9. Something went wrong. Oh, I forgot about the semicolon. Okay, that is my mistake. There we go. 445. That's it for the project. Thank you for watching. And yeah, I will see you in the next project.